If you create videos, you already know the editing itself is only one part of the work. The real time often goes into what happens after: translating the video, adding subtitles, cleaning old captions, or removing unwanted text from the screen. And these small tasks can easily take hours if you do them manually. So today, I'm going to test a real workflow and see if AI can make it faster. I'll take one video, translate it into another language, generate subtitles, and then test the watermark removal feature to clean up unwanted text from the screen. Welcome back to RecCloud AI, your shortcut to the smartest AI tools. Today, I'm testing RecCloud, an AI video toolkit built to help creators translate videos, generate subtitles, and remove watermarks or hard-coded text automatically. Let's test it properly. Here I'm starting with a simple talking video. This could be a YouTube clip, a course lesson, a product demo, or a short video you want to repurpose for another audience. The goal is not just to edit the video, the goal is to prepare it for another language and make it ready to publish again. So first, I'm going to upload the original video into RecCloud. Now that the video is uploaded, I can start with the feature that probably saves the most time: video translation. Here, I'm opening the AI video translator. I select the original language of the video, then I choose the target language. For this test, I'll translate the video into Spanish. Now I click Generate and let RecCloud process it. While it's generating, this is usually the part that would take the longest manually. Normally, I would need to translate the script, record a new voiceover, sync the audio with the video, and then check if everything matches. But here, RecCloud is doing that process automatically. Now the translated version is ready. Let's play the original first.
Over the last 12 months, I've purchased more than 12,000.
Then let's play the translated version.
En el último año, compré más de 12,000 artículos en eBay.
This is the main thing I'm checking. Does the translation sound natural? Does the timing match the video? And does it feel like something I could actually use? This is useful because if you already have a video that performs well, you can create another version for a different audience without recording everything again. A YouTube tutorial can become a Spanish version. A product demo can become a French version.
Ont-elles toujours des gens dans une salle de conférence avec des graphiques génériques et quelqu'un écrivant sur un tableau blanc? H-Look, où est-ce que tu cries? Je n'en ai aucune.
A course lesson can become available to more students. So for creators, this is not just translation. It's a way to make one video work in more than one market. Now, let's move to subtitles. I'm opening the AI subtitle generator. I upload the same video, or I use the translated version, depending on the result I want. For this demo, I want subtitles for the video, so it's easier to follow. Now I choose the language and generate the subtitles. Once the subtitles are generated, the first thing I check is the timing. Are the captions appearing at the right moment? Are they readable? Do they match the speaker? This matters because subtitles are not just for accessibility, they also help with retention. A lot of people watch videos without sound, especially on mobile. So if your captions are clear and synced, the video becomes easier to watch. Now I'll preview the video with subtitles.
Months, I've purchased more than
this already makes the content feel more ready for social media, and instead of typing every line manually, I only need to review and adjust the result. That saves a lot of time.
Sometimes in my pajamas, sometimes in my...
Now let's test another version. Instead of only generating subtitles in the original language, I want to create subtitles in another language. So I choose the target language and generate translated subtitles. This is useful if you don't want to fully dub the video, but you still want another audience to understand it. For example, I can keep the original voice, but add Spanish, French, or Arabic subtitles. Now let's preview it. This is a simple but useful workflow. Original video, translated subtitles, and a version that can reach more viewers. For creators, this can be a good first step before doing full video translation. You can test international content with subtitles first, then decide if it's worth creating fully dubbed versions. Now let's test the watermark removal feature. This is useful when you have unwanted text, old subtitles, or a watermark on the screen. Normally, removing something like this in an editing software can be annoying. You might need to blur it, crop the video, cover it with another graphic, or mask it frame by frame. So here, I'm opening the AI watermark removal tool, I upload the video, then I select the area where the watermark or unwanted text appears. Now I start the process. What I'm looking for here is not just whether the text disappears, I'm checking if the background still looks natural after removal, because a simple blur is easy to notice. But if the AI can remove the text and rebuild the background cleanly, that makes the result much more usable. Now let's preview the before and after. On the original version, you can see the unwanted text here, and on the processed version, RecCloud removes it and tries to clean up the area. This can be useful if you have old subtitles baked into a video and you want to add new translated subtitles. You can clean the old text first, then generate a fresh subtitle version. Now, let's put the full workflow together. I started with one original video. First, I used RecCloud to translate it into another language. Then I generated subtitles. Then I tested translated subtitles. And finally, I used watermark removal to clean unwanted text from the screen. So instead of jumping between different tools, I can handle the main steps inside one workflow. This is where RecCloud makes the most sense. It's not just one AI feature, it's the combination of translation, subtitles, and cleaning tools that helps creators repurpose videos faster. For example, if you create a YouTube video, you can prepare a second version for another language. If you create a course lesson, you can make it easier for international students. If you create product demos, you can localize them for different markets. And if your original video has old captions or unwanted text, you can clean it before publishing the new version. After testing RecCloud, I think the strongest use case is video repurposing. It helps with the repetitive parts that usually slow down creators. Translation, subtitles, translated captions, and watermark or text removal. Of course, you still need to review the output. You still need to check the translation, the timing, and the final video quality. But compared to doing everything manually, this can save a lot of time. So if you create videos for YouTube, courses, marketing, or social media, RecCloud can help you turn one video into more versions for different audiences. If you want to try RecCloud yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. Test it with one of your own videos and see how much time it saves. And let me know in the comments, which feature would you use the most? Video translation, subtitles, or watermark removal?
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart AI tools. This is RecCloud AI. See you in the next one.